We have very low sun exposure in Europe. What can we eat to resolve the poor sun exposure?
What could you eat to replace?
Yes, to resolve that. We obviously, the sun's very poor and we don't get a lot of sunlight. So is there something we can eat specifically to get whatever it is that we need to compensate?
A black person needs the sun. I mean, when he gets into the sun after being in the cold, oh, his body feels it immediately. I mean, immediately.
Yes.
What does that mean? That you didn't belong there. But since you're there, what could you take to replace that? Lots of iron. Iron is the spark plug of the body. You could take all the calcium, all the phosphorus, all the zinc, all the stuff that they tell you, protein and inositol. If you didn't take iron, you didn't take anything that's going to function right. Iron, you could take iron all by itself and forget about the rest, and you're back in 1,000. Why? Because iron is magnetic. It draws every other mineral to it. It's electrical. Heavily charged. All of us need iron. We've been deprived of it for 500 years. That's why anemia is so high. 67 anemia? Yes. We all suffer traits of it. Why? Because of the deprivation of iron. But it has to be iron phosphate, not ferrous sulfate. It's a difference. One is an oxide, that's ferrous sulfate. Iron phosphate is a vegetable, is a cinnamon.
Greetings, brothers and sisters. Our iron fluorine loose leaf tea is available at 𝐸𝐷𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐷.com. And please don't forget to visit Dr. Sebi's son's website, bolingobalance.com. His inventory contains many products, including tonics that are high in iron. We respect the fact that he continues the work of his father, and for this, we honor him. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, ETL NTD. Love.